family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. We'd love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Again, if you hear my voice, it's better. Okay, a few days ago it was gone. So this is what you have. So please bear with me. We're going to get right into it. And we have another Scentbird review on House of Beau, from the House of Beau. And we have Oro Verde, I'm going to say. Yes. Okay. So we're going to get into my thoughts on this fragrance. You know, I have been dabbing and dipping into the House of Beau. I've really been enjoying myself. So let's get into my thoughts on this fragrance. And you know how we do on this channel. Let's get into all the reviewer things, and then I'll tell you all my goody real thoughts at the end. All right. First, let's start off with versatility. Do I think this fragrance is versatile? I would have to say, no, this is not versatile. I feel like for like the occasion of it all, and we'll get to the occasion, but like, I don't think that this would be like a dress up fragrance that you can wear there, right? Just more casual. Now, as far as season, I think you can really get away with this more in the fall and winter. But when you're pushing to the summertime, I wouldn't find this fragrance suited for the type of summer that I vibe with, right? I just don't get this as a summer. Spring, maybe. Like spring, yeah. Actually, no, spring good, but I think when we get into the hotter months, I just can't see me reaching for this during the hotter season. So it's almost there in versatility, but yeah, maybe not so much in my opinion. So, occasion. I definitely think this is a casual fragrance. I would not see myself wearing this on the red carpet or a formal event. Definitely grab and go. I don't even know if this would be an easy reach, because I think this is a little bit more complex than that. But I can, again, a casual setting. I don't even think this is like a date fragrance. I don't get date from here. I really just don't get date, but a dinner with girlfriends, a single dinner date by yourself. I don't know. I just get more casual in the house, maybe errands, but definitely not like a date night. Like this does not give me date night, okay? Now, packaging. When I say the one thing, and I've said this before, the one thing that I absolutely love about the House of Beau is the way that the stone feels, and the look of the stone is, to me, what you're going to get in this fragrance, okay? So this stone it looks like green. It looks like I have a little bit more brown. So it gives you this green feel, right? Like heavier on the greener side of things, running through the trees and forests. And I feel like that's what you absolutely get from this. With price, let's talk about price. So price for the smaller bottle, it's going to be $175. So that's going to be like a 1.34 ounce bottle, okay? For your 2.5, it will be $365. Yeah, a whopping $365. So that's a huge difference. So that is your pricing. Now, does this lean more feminine or masculine? This is definitely a unisex fragrance. I can see a man wearing this, and I can absolutely see a female wearing this. Whoever you identify with, yeah, I can see you wearing this fragrance. Now, this fragrance was launched in 2024, so last year. So this is kind of, still on the new train, in my opinion. So notes, we have cannabis, we have bergamot, mate. In the top notes, we have watermelon. In the middle, we have basil and vetiver. In the base note, we have Palo Santo, we have ambergris, and we have moss. Okay, those are the notes. So, yeah, we got all the deets out the way. Let's get into my real thoughts on this fragrance. So, Oro Verde from the House of Beau. Okay, this fragrance, the note that you need to make sure that you enjoy and love and thrive on, that does your body good, right, is the cannabis note. Listen, this cannabis is cannabising. The cannabis note is prominent in this fragrance, okay? It stands out, it's impactful, it's powerful. So if you don't like a cannabis note, sis, you're not going to like this fragrance, okay? The only cannabis note fragrance that I have that is discontinued, and I talk about it so much, is Floral Botanica from Balenciaga. I love this. Listen, look at this. Yeah, you all know I love this fragrance. I love this fragrance down. I love the blends of this. I love the floral. I love how the floral blends together like a watery floral with the cannabis. It is so good, so refreshing. It's amazing, okay? This I can wear in the spring. To me, I can wear this in the summer. This is so good. I feel like this would get lost in the sauce in the fall and winter. But if you're looking for a fall and winter fragrance that has the note of cannabis in it, look no further than this baby right here, okay? Look no further than Oro Verde. I hope I'm saying that right, but look no further than that, because this is so impactful and powerful. Then I would say this gives me the spring and the softness. This is cannabis. Like, it is heavy, okay? Now, I will say this watermelon note allows it to be this refreshing fruity kind of punch in it, right? Ooh, I love this. Okay, anyway, but it is not as powerful as I would have liked it to be with that cannabis note. I don't know if that makes sense. Like, the watermelon is a little bit more lighter than I would have liked. I would have liked the watermelon to be a little bit stronger in this. But it's not to say this is not a great fragrance. This is a very unique fragrance. I will say that. So it smells really good on your body. I have gotten compliments from this, but I will say you will not like this if you do not like the smell of cannabis. You're not going to like it. Like, it's going to turn you off. Again, the watermelon to me gives it the fruitiness. Again, I wish that fruitiness would have did a little bit more impacting for me in my body, in my experience. I wish the watermelon kind of came through a little bit more powerful with the cannabis. However, she's singing background, watermelon. But the Palo Santo just makes it smooth to me. It gives this very smooth blend that is very much needed for this powerful cannabis fragrance. The greens that are in this with the basil and all of that, like, I don't even know what Mates is, but if Mates gives it a little bit more of a spiciness, like all of the woods and the cannabis and the green stands out. Again, I wish there was a little bit more fruit. Now the bergamot, the citrus in this, you also smell. But for me, if it was just a little bit more watermelon, I'd be like, chef's kiss, perfect. But I would rate this like a 7 out of 10. If the watermelon was a little bit more, maybe it'd be a 9 out of 10, but a 7 out of 10. Anyway, it is a great fragrance. It's very unique. Please try it. See if it even works with you. It's not this. So coming back to this to me is very much girly, soft with the cannabis. So it's not this. And I feel like a man could wear this. Yeah, definitely men, you can wear this, and I can see a man just really, holding on to this and making some moves. Like, I can see that. Women, I can see you too. Very powerful women that don't mind unique scents or smelling unique. I can see that. Now, would I purchase a full bottle of this fragrance? I would not. And again, not that I don't like it. I'm good with my travel size because I don't see me wearing this all the time. Yes, this is definitely more casual to me. Errands, maybe a girl dinner, maybe I'm going out by myself, me, myself, and I just don't see me like attracting a lot of men with this fragrance. I have gotten compliments, but it has been from women. Again, this is not gourmand. Like, this is green cannabis watermelon, right? I don't know why I'm smelling this. I can't smell it from there, but citrus, like I can't see me like reaching for this all the time for me to get a full bottle. That's all I'm saying. Again, I'm not knocking this fragrance, but I wouldn't add it to my collection. This is very unique. Now, would I, from Scentbird, would I order another sample? Yes, I would order another sample of this for next fall, winter. Yeah, I'll put that down on my queue, and I wouldn't mind getting another one of these for that time. Like, yeah, I would re-up on this just for that. But a full bottle, yeah, no, like I am the Lamar full bottle, the Casablanca full bottle, like those full bottle 100%. This one, yeah, no, but I will say it is addicting. And I've said that about this, and I don't know if that's just the cannabis note in it, but it is addicting. It's an addicting fragrance. But it's hard. It's addicting, but it's hard to give you the occasion for it. It's complex. I will say it's a complex. I've been trying to figure out how to do this review, how to come to you all and being like, okay, these are my thoughts. It's a 7 out of 10. I definitely won't wear this for my first date night, next date night. It's not a lovey fragrance. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I hope that makes sense. Hope I didn't turn you off to it. I'm not saying it's a bad fragrance. You absolutely want to test it. It is not a blind buy by any means, right? See if you vibe with it. See if your skin vibes with it. See what you think. But for me, the miss for me to be like, yeah, A1, as A1 as I like this one, that watermelon note just needs to stand out more. So Well, fam, that's my thoughts. That is my thoughts surrounding House of Bow or Verde. What are your thoughts? Have you tried it? I would love to know your thoughts. Do you love it? If you love it, I love it for you. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm just saying I'm not going to get a full bottle. That's all. That's all. Well, fam, make sure that you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.